Alright, now I'm going to resolve inconsistencies in user types by recoding labels to member and casual. Additional columns such as date, month, year, and day of week are created to facilitate aggregation. I also add a write length column and remove erroneous records with negative durations. So let's clean up and add data to prepare for analysis. Let's inspect the new table that has been created, which is all trips. So this is the code I'm going to code here. The first code will be call names all trips. It will be list of column names and then number of row and row function inside the function all trips. That's I'm going to use to check how many rows are in data frame, and then dim function inside the function all trips to check dimensions of the data frame, and then the head function inside the function all trips to see the first 6 rows of data frame. So the same thing can do by the tail function, and then str function inside the function all trips to see list of columns and data types, numeric, character, etc. And then finally I use summary function to check the statistical summary of data, mainly for numerics. So let's start coding. Okay, so we added all the codes we need: call names, and row, dim, heads, str, summary. So let's run this code chunk. Okay, so in the first graph we can see the set of column names, ride ID, started at, ended at. So alright, and then and this is showing the number of rows in the all trips datasets. It's showing 7,091,956, and then it shows the dimension here. So yeah, you can understand how it's going to be calculated like this. Alright, and then it's showing the head of all trips data frame. So here we can see 6 rows and the column names of the data all trips data frame. And then it's showing the details of the str function. We can see as usually the column names of each column and the data types. And then finally showing the summary of the data. So we can see the mean, median, mean, max, and many other details. Okay, so that's what we needed to check first. And now there are a few problems we will need to fix. So first, in the member casual column, there are 2 names for members, member and subscriber, and 2 names for casual riders, customer and casual. We will need to consolidate that from 4 to 2 labels. So the other issue we need to fix is the data can only be aggregated at the right level, which is too granular. We will want to add some additional columns of data such as day, month, that provide additional opportunities to aggregate the data. And yeah, so the third issue will be